Today, we'll talk about saws. There are different types, and each one is made for a specific kind of work. Let's take a look, one by one. This is a handsaw, the most simple and basic tool. You move it with your hands, and it lets you feel the wood. The good thing is that it's safe, doesn't need electricity, and is perfect for learning. The downside is that it's slow and takes more effort, but it's the best place to start. This is a jigsaw. It can cut not only straight lines, but also curves and shapes. It's used for details, openings, and creative cuts. The advantage is flexibility and precision. The downside is that it's not made for very thick wood. Still, it teaches that not every line has to be straight. This is a bandsaw. It uses a continuous blade that cuts smoothly and calmly. It works well for straight cuts and curved cuts, even in thick wood. The advantage is control and precision. The downside is that it takes space and needs proper setup. This is a saw for thoughtful work. This is a chainsaw. It's used to prepare wood before it reaches the workshop. It's powerful and made for outdoor work. The advantage is speed with large logs. The downside is that it's not precise and not meant for indoor learning. It prepares material, not details. This is a miter saw. It's designed for accurate angle cuts. It's often used for frames, trim, and repeating parts. The advantage is speed and accuracy. The downside is that it only makes specific types of cuts, but when it comes to angles, it's excellent. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, follow the channel. See you next time.